Live from Stepford Central, this is SCR News with PinguBoy.
Hello and welcome to our first broadcast. Welcome to SCR News. Here's the headlines. Maddie's last contribution to SCR. The new NG V2 Class 720 has been revealed as a sneak peek. Hello and welcome to SCR News. Our first headline is Maddie's last contribution to SCR. This is disappointing to hear about it, but it was reasonable. It did hit hard to most people. It also wasn't the first time this happened. However, it feels like this is final. Although he might pop up soon, he won't completely quit. This is what he said. This is going to hit hard for most people, but it is with great sorrow that this will be my last contribution to SCR. Over the past few weeks, I have noticed that my motivation for working on SCR has come to the point where my heart is no longer in it. I also want to try and step away from Roblox, not completely, so I can focus more on what I want to do and a future career. I would just like to say a massive thank you to everyone that has supported me and my work for SCR. You guys mean so much to me. I would also like to thank Charlie, Bad Tech, and all the other managers and directors and PDVs for trusting in me to work for you. It's been such an honor. This doesn't mean I will be leaving the SCR group or avoiding everyone. I will still be around and will sometimes pop in and say hi. Once again, it has been an honor, and please be nice to staff. They work very hard. And let's not forget what Charlie has said. So, Charlie has also said something after this very, very supportive and quite sad message. Here's what Charlie said. I am sure you all will join me in wishing Maddie the best for the future, though definitely cannot say we are not very sad to see him go. Many of you will know that Maddie has been a huge part of SCR history. He joined the group 1 week after the game officially opened. He worked his way up to dispatcher, controller, mouse signaler, supervisor, driver manager, the old lead driver, head of driver, then the head of driver OBS, and eventually up to operations director. Maddie is so key to where we are today. And then went on to redesign the way Roblox training games work by introducing our NG fleet and setting a standard for our future. I don't think things would be the same without him, but I think it's time he follows his own path and just hope that he has all he has learned, and I will hope him to be amazing that all has been done. Manny wouldn't know where to start building a train when he joined us, and how he has built the best ones out there. He will be missed greatly, but on behalf of the whole team, Maddie, thank you for absolutely everything you have done. You are amazing, we all love you, and we will miss you. Heart emoji. The driver, we're not very sad, but just a little bit sad. We're quite disappointed to see that, but just quite. But, I wish you good luck, Maddie. Now we are moving on to another headline. The Class 720 will be upgraded like all the other trains soon, and it looks beautiful. The base model is made by Jereb RBLX, and less decals being used, like the Class 720. It will definitely be better once the new update will be out. Even the community loves it. Keep up the work. And that's all for today's news headlines. Here's the weather.
Today, it will be cloudy, with sooner chance of showers in the afternoon and become cloudy again in the evening.
And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this first episode. Goodbye.